how to send bulk SMS on Twilio. I'm going to tell you how to send bulk SMS on Twilio in 2025. First, log into your Twilio console and make sure you verified your phone number and set up your messaging service. Then, go to messaging section and create a messaging service ID. This lets Twilio handle volume, routing, and compliance more efficiently. To send bulk messages, you can use Twilio's API, especially the /messages endpoint, and loop through a list of numbers in your code. You can do this in Python, Node.js, or any language Twilio supports. If you're not into coding, you can also use platforms like Twilio Studio or third-party tools like Zapier or Make to automate campaigns without writing code. Just remember, depending on your region and use case, Twilio might require you to register for A2P 10 DLC or sender verification to stay compliant.